In this video, you are going to see how to rotate text in Google Docs. As you can see here, there is no exact way actually, but we can apply our trick. Let me select this text, press Ctrl C to copy. I want to rotate it. Now go to Insert and go to Drawing and click on New. Then our Drawing tab will be appeared. Click on the text box and draw it over here and write the text here and increase the text box size like this. Now select the text. I can change the font from here very easily. Then click on the three dot. I can change the text color from here. Let me choose this color. I can increase or decrease the font size and let me make it center. Now click on outside. Now click on this text box and use this small arrow key and rotate it like this and place it over here. Now click on Save and Close. Now here you will see the upper text is over here and the text box is here. Just click on over here. Here you will see the option Wrap Text and you can position it anywhere in your Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.